Hello, my name is Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistance, and today I'll be showing you 3 different examples of positioning in CSS. So let's go ahead and open up this first one right here, and as you'll see, it is of the static positioning, and when you're dealing with static positioning, it's just going to fit itself in wherever it can go on the flow of the page, no real defined spot for it. You'll see right here, for our position, it says static, and border is a 3-pixel solid red border. And then we'll have this text right here inside of it. So let's go ahead and open that up so we can see what it looks like. And you'll see right here, pretty basic. If I had made some paragraph text, it would have gone in the same spot right here. So in relation to that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the relative positioning. And unlike static, we had to give it some coordinates. So top 100 pixel, left 50 pixels. And what this means is when I pull this over here, that it goes down by 100 pixels and then it gets pushed over to the right by 50 pixels, but it's going to be in relation to this point right here, the static positioning. So it counts down from its original position. And the opposite of that we have for the last one here is the absolute position, and we actually have the same number of pixels, top 100, left 50, but when we open up this one, you'll see that it's in a different spot, and that's because for absolute, it counts from the top of the page and to the very left of the page instead of its relative position. So that's why it would stop before the relative one, because the relative one already had a head start because of the static position. But since this one counts from the top of the page, down 100 pixels and then push to the right. Absolute will also make it kind of wrap around with this border here, because see if I switched this to, let's just say, relative, and we go ahead and save that, and if I reload this, you'll see that the border shoots back out there, but as soon as we change it back to absolute, it wraps right back around, and we can even add some text into that. Save that, and see, it'll push it out, but it still wraps around the text perfectly. Now with that, I've shown you how positioning works in CSS. My name is Jeremy. Thank you for watching.